What's up? What's up?
What's up?
More money.
More money, no problem.
So what's up?
I'm sick.
Just touched down in NYC.
I just got back from Thailand and my stomach is a mess. A mess.
How was the trip?
The trip was fun. I did a lot of like exploring. We stayed in Bangkok, but basically like we couldn't go up north because right now is the rainy season, so we basically had to stay around Bangkok. But we did go to Pattaya, and it's like the beachy kind of town. It was cool.
Got a lot of good footage.
I got a lot of good footage.
About to edit
Stay
that.
tuned.
Edit that vlog real quick.
Yeah, I gotta edit.
All right.
It'll be a lot.
I'll be sure to include a link.
It's not focusing.
Way too nice outside right now to be home. So we're just gonna chill out here and enjoy the weather for a little bit. Good morning or afternoon.
Hi YouTube.
We don't even know what we're doing today.
It's 4:35. Afternoon for sure.
Yeah, we were in the house all day, so we just came out to take a walk and
It's a really nice day outside.
see what we're gonna do, see what we come across. That's pretty much it. So see what happens.
Lay me down in Brooklyn if I lose my life. Push me down the Hudson and turn on the radio. Long Island's owner smiling cause my soul is fine.
On today's episode of Will It Start? Well, at least it runs. So, I don't think many of you guys have seen this before. Maybe some of my old subscribers might recognize this bike. Got this bike when I was like 19 years old. Had it for a long time. Dropped it a couple times, switched it up, painted it black. Did a whole bunch of mess to it. But the plan is to fix it up again over the winter and probably get rid of it. Use the money to put towards something else. This bike, pretty cool. It's a 1973 Honda CL 175. Looked completely different when we got it. Me and my uncle started this project like 2 years ago, and we stripped it down completely and tried to rebuild it into like a cafe brat style little bike. Still needs a lot of work, but the plan is to try to work on it this winter. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll be pretty excited to try to get this running and on the road. So stay tuned.
Look at this little brain.
What is that? Those are so cool. These are so nice. We definitely gotta make one.
Yeah. So we're here at Sprout looking for some plants. We also want to buy a terrarium. They actually have build your own terrarium over there. They're kind of pricey here, but you know, a lot of good shit. I also want some cactuses.
So we try to build a terrarium, but they're all sold out for the dome that we wanted. So we're probably gonna have to check back in next week or so. But in the meantime, we're pretty hungry, so we're gonna try to go find some food.
Hey!
He wants to say hello.
Hey, little guy. Come here. Come. I don't want to put my hand in. I'm scared of you.
Say hello.
Hey, little boy.
Alright people, I think we're gonna cap tonight's vlog right here with a little vino and Netflix. Nothing too exciting today, but that's how it goes sometimes, just a regular day. But I will see you guys tomorrow.